Today I'm going to teach you how to get your Monday.com API key. This is essential if you want to integrate Monday.com with other tools or automate workflows using their API. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you'll need to log into your Monday.com account. Open your browser and head over to Monday.com. Then enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard where you can see all your boards and projects. Next, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your avatar or profile picture displayed there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various account-related options. These options give you access to important settings and developer tools that you'll need for this task. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Developers. This option takes you to the developer section of Monday.com, where you can manage API tokens and other technical integrations. This area is specifically designed for users who want to connect Monday.com with external applications or build custom integrations. Once you're in the developer section, look for the option labeled API token and click on it. This is where Monday.com stores your unique API key, which serves as a secure way to authenticate and connect external services to your account. The API token is essentially your digital key that allows other applications to access your Monday.com data safely. Now, you'll see your API token listed, but it will be hidden by default for security reasons. Next to the API token, you'll notice a button that says Show. Click on this button to reveal your full API key. The token will appear as a long string of characters, which is your unique identifier for API access. Finally, to copy your API key, simply click the copy button that appears next to the token. This will automatically copy the entire API key to your clipboard, making it ready to paste into whatever application or integration you're setting up. Make sure to store this key securely, as it provides access to your Monday.com account data. And that's it. You now have your Monday.com API key copied and ready to use for integrations and automations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.